What I want to do, I will enter some data here. Then I will take that data and enter it here like this. That I will do through a macro. So for doing that, what I have to do, I have to first enter the data, copy it, and then transpose it, paste it. These are my steps. So for doing that, let me first enter the data. Okay. Then number is, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. Now for doing the macro, I'll start recording the macro. Record macro. Add data or something like this. First step that I'll have to do is I'll insert, make some space here. Insert, copy this, come here, paste, transpose. And then after a few records are entered, this will become a bit cumbersome. So I'll also do a sorting. So everything will be sorted properly. Now let me stop the record. And I will put a button here. Developer, insert. For this, add data. What was it? Add data, right? Since this is coming as button, I can do it in two ways. I can assign a macro from here. That is another way of assigning the macro. Another is I can go to format control and I can change all the properties of this button. Heading, making it bold and all this. And another thing that I can do here is I can edit the text. What is called as button, I can just put, let's say, add or something like this. But this is just a one-time activity, so I'm not recording it. Done. Next, I will write it as, let's say, Bijoy. So I bijoy@gmail.com. So this becomes 1, 2, 3, and then say 5. Then I will come here and click on add.